Hello everybody, it's Mark here from Alfresco Exterior Cleaning, and thanks for joining us in today's video. And today we're going to be discussing cladding cleaning and how much does it cost to clean the cladding on your commercial property. Now here in Oxfordshire, the cladding cleaning prices does really depend on whether you have a small commercial property or you may have a 25,000 square feet warehouse, which is a high bay, so it does actually depend on the size of the property. Also, what is the material that's actually on the cladding on the outside of your property? Now, most commercial properties have that profiled plaster sole finish, which is used predominantly on smaller warehouse properties. This can be cleaned using a mild detergent and a cold water pressure washer, as long as it's done on a regular basis. However, cladding on older properties, maybe 15 to 20 years old, you can't really use high pressure because the coating is starting to get very thin, and chances are you're going to blast it off and make a right old mess of it. The four things that we consider when looking at pricing cladding cleaning here in Oxfordshire is size, because let's be honest girls, size does matter. So the larger the property, then the higher that price is going to be. Then we also then look at the infestation level of that particular surface. Is it just green with mold, algae, or is there lichen growth on there, so crustacean? So do we need to soft wash it first, kill all of that organic growth and then pressure wash? Or do we need to dry steam clean? All these things need to be considered. And also access. So do we need to use a cherry picker? Do we need to use a spider, a tower scaffold? Or if it's some equipment that Alfresco doesn't own, then we need to then rent in through a third party some access equipment as well. So obviously this needs to be considered. So ultimately, how much does it cost to clean the cladding on your commercial property here in Oxfordshire? So we've worked out that if you've got a 3,000 square foot warehouse of medium infestation, £895 plus the VAT. Now, if you've got a 30,000 foot warehouse, you could be paying up to £15,800 plus VAT. The most important thing, if you do have dirty cladding in Oxfordshire on your commercial property, give Alfresco Exterior Cleaning a call on 0333 567 2727 or visit the website at alfrescoec.co.uk, where we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.